Good morning, students. Welcome to class 3rd, chapter 9, Money. We all are familiar with the term money in our day-to-day transactions while buying or selling goods. We make use of money extensively. Just to recapitulate the concept of money, answer a few questions related to it. Do you get pocket money? What do you do with it? Do you come home and return the change to your mother? Does your mother send you for shopping? In purchasing items from the market, we pay money to the shopkeeper in the form of coins and notes. Let us have a look at the notes and coins being used in India. Commonly used coins: 50 paise, rupees 1 coins, rupees 2 coins, rupees 5 coins and rupees 10 coins. We pay money to the shopkeeper for our daily needs. This money is in the form of coins and notes. The currency of our country is India, is the rupee. We use the symbol for rupees and P for paise. We use a point for separating rupees and paise. This is notes: rupees 1, rupees 2, rupees 5, rupees 10, rupees 20, rupees 500, etc. Remember, the type of money used in a particular country is called its currency. The currency of India is the Indian rupee. The symbol for Indian rupees is rupees. The symbol rupees is always written before the amount in rupees. 1 rupee is equals to rupees 1. Rupees 1 is equals to 100 paise. Our first topic is expressing money in words and in figures. Decimal point. When we talk of money, we talk about rupees and paise together. When we wish to write them together in a symbolic form, we separate them by a point. The point is called the decimal point. The number written on the left side of the decimal point denotes rupees and the number of the right side denotes paise. Example: let us write 75 rupees and 60 paise in words and figures. In words, rupees 75 and paise 60. And in figures, rupees 75.60. Example 2. Express 40 rupees in words as well as figures. In words, rupees 40, and in figures, rupees 40.00. These zeros denotes that there are no paise. Next topic is conversion of rupees into paise. We know that 1 rupee is equals to 100 paise. To convert rupees into paise, we multiply the amount in rupees by 100. Example: 7 rupee. 1 rupee is equals to 100 paise. 7 multiplied by 100 paise is equals to 700 paise. Convert rupees and paise into paise, we multiply the amount in rupees by 100 to convert it into paise and add to it the number of paise. Example: express 8 rupees and paise 28 into paise. Solution: 8 rupees and paise 28. 8 multiply 100 plus 28. 8 multiplied by 100 is equals to 800, and 800 plus 28 is equals to 828 paise. Our next topic is conversion of paise into rupees and paise. To convert paise into rupees, we put a decimal point after 2 digits from the right of the given number, which denotes paise. As we know that there are always 2 digits to the right of the decimal point which stand for paise. The number on the left of the point indicates rupees and the number on the right of the point indicates the paise. Example: 1875 paise. rupees 18.75 is equals to 18 rupees 75 paise. Our next topic, conversion of the given amount into various denominations. Follow the given steps for converting a given amount of money into various denominations of the coins. Convert the given amount into paise. Number 2, divide the number of paise by the respective denomination such as 5, 10, 20, 25 or 50 to find the number of 5 paise coins, 10 paise coins and 20 paise coins, etc. Example, how many 50 paise coins make rupees 2? Step 1, convert rupees 2 into paise. Rupees 2 is equals to 2 into 100 and 2 into 100 is equals to 200 paise. Step 2, divide 200 paise by 50. 200 divided by 50 is equals to 4. So, 4 50 paise coins make rupees 2. Next topic is addition of money. We add money in the same way as we add numbers. We write the given amounts one below the other in columns for rupees and paise respectively. Remember, while adding money, just remember to place the decimal point in the answer. Example, add rupees 14.35, rupees 8.25 and rupees 2.60. Steps of addition. Add paise. 35, 25, 60 is equals to 120 paise. Write 20 in the paise column and carry over 1 to the rupees column. Step 2, add rupees. Rupees is 14, 8 plus 2 and plus 1. Plus 1 is carried over is equals to rupees 25. Thus, rupees 14.35, rupees 8.25 plus rupees 2.60 is equals to rupees 25.20. Answer. Our next topic is subtraction of money. The subtraction of money is also done in the same way as we subtract the ordinary numbers. We just have to place them in vertical columns of rupees and paise respectively, taking care of the decimal point. Example, subtract rupees 18.96 from rupees 20. Solution, and step 1 is subtract paise. 0 minus 96 is not possible. So borrow rupees 1 is equals to 100 paise from the rupee column, leaving behind rupees 19. Now in paise column we have 100 minus 96 is equals to 4 paise. Step 2, subtract the rupees. 19 minus 18. 19 minus 18 is equals to rupees 1. Write 1 in the rupee column. So our final answer is rupees 1.04. Remember, while subtracting two amounts, the larger amount is written first in columns. Number 2, place the decimal point in the answer. Our next topic is multiplication of money. While multiplying the amount, we do not write the decimal point in columns. We first multiply without the point in consideration and then put the decimal point in the answer after leaving 2 digits from the right. Example 1 is multiply rupees 36.80 by 2. Solution, and step 1, write the given amount in columns without the decimal point. Step 2, multiply 3680 by 2 in the same way as we multiply the ordinary numbers. Step 3, after multiplying, write the answer separately and put the decimal point in the answer after 2 digits from the right. Number 4, an important step, don't forget to write the unit rupees. And our answer is rupees 73.60. Thank you so much. God bless you.